Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we are basically coming back up to retest that previous level. As you can see right now, I have got a little bit of a short position in a little bit of drawdown right now. I did take a short position in this area. Obviously we've just got that breakdown back test of this area here right now, and I do think from what we can see on the charts here that we're probably going to see Vechain continuing to the downside, at least to retest this low down here. It's interesting because Bitcoin right now is at about the same price that it was about a month ago. If you take a look here, what are we looking at? So we're looking at, you know, like, let's just say this area here. We're at about the same price as we were then, but everyone is so much more bearish on altcoins right now. You can see that Vechain is definitely not in the same place as it was in terms of price as from a month ago. Right now looking very, very bearish indeed, and continuing to roll to the downside. Looking like basically we're getting that simple breakdown, back test, and probably a little continuation here to retest that swing low of the wick down at around 1.3 cents. Currently sitting at around 1.5 cents right now. Obviously a big psychological level, but I do think now we broke down from that previous support, we'll retest as resistance and probably roll over, in my opinion, unless we see something absolutely cataclysmic in the markets in terms of upside for the whole space. In this instance, I would say Vechain probably going to continue to the downside, in my opinion. You can see we were heading, you know, we had that big bounce, we were heading down in our descending wedge. Things were looking good for maybe a little bit of upside and continuation, but Vechain just absolutely collapsed down through the downside of this wedge and just continued to the downside, losing support all the way down to around 1.3 cents before getting a bounce. Saw this happen for a few cryptos like Polygon as well. And really right now, Vechain just continuing to show not that much strength whatsoever. A quick look at the hourly time frame here will show you this as well. You can see really, you know, we've got the massive breakdown, a little bit of a relief rally, but we've come down and we've got stuck under this resistance multiple times. And I do think really this is just primed, in my opinion, for having a roll over here. You can see my trade already laid out, take profit at that low, and my stop loss just above here in case we do deviate back up to the upside. But in my opinion, this is probably what's going to happen next from what I can tell on the charts. And right now, really just waiting and seeing what is going to happen next. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content. You're all absolute legends. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video.